Hello, I'm Bella Bin. We bought this walleye fillet from Costco, so today we make the delicious fish with it. Walleye is my favorite fish because its texture and taste are super good. Today we use 2 pieces to make smoothie and soaky walleye. First, we put 2 pieces in a container, then add some rice cooking wine, or if you don't have this wine, you can use any kind of wine instead, and do a little massage. Use the wine this way to remove the bad fishy taste on the surface of the fish. Next, use a big plate and put some dry flour. Next, heat a stir-fry pan over medium heat. Then add in some oil. Then dip some dry flour on both sides of the fish fillet. We only need to dip very thin layer of the flour. This way, when we do the fry, then the moisture in the fish won't go out. Keep fish moisture inside the fish. After finish dipping process, we put the fish fillets into the pan. Now we fry the 2 walleye fillet. In frying process, we need to turn the oil in the pan and shake the walleye fillets occasionally. After a couple of minutes, the bottom become brown color. Then we turn them over to fry the other side. As you see, there are not too much oil left. This way, we need to turn the oil around and press the fish fillet. Make sure each side is fried well. Now, the other side are well fried. We add in the Sichuan peppercorn, remove some oil in this side. Then add in green onion and ginger pieces in this side. Then fry peppercorn, green onion and ginger a little bit. Then we add in superior mature vinegar. Add in light soy sauce. Add in cold water. Add in another cold water. Make sure fish are not stuck on the bottom. Add in salt. Add in sugar. Take some broth to taste. Add more vinegar. Add in dark soy sauce. Stir on the bottom. Cover it. Turn to low heat. Stew about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the cover and do a turn over. It's hard to turn over the whole piece because the fish is so soft. You see, this side is broken. Cover to cook about another 10 minutes. 10 minutes already. Now, since there are not too much broth left, in the pan, so we add in the garlic slices. But if there's a lot of broth left, we can cook a little bit more before we add in the garlic. Now, we cover the pan for 1 minute for garlic to release its taste. Wow! Now, the fish looking so yummy, so wonderful. We turn off the heat and transfer the fish into a plate. Oh, it is hard to take them out without breaking. But as long as they are delicious, who cares if it's a whole fish or it's a broken fillet? At the end, sprinkle some coriander or green onion pieces. Now, I cannot wait to try how tasty it is. As you see, the meat looks so juicy, so smoothie, so silky. That's the reason I like this recipe. I wish you could try this recipe, and I'm sure you would like it. Thanks so much for your watching and your support. You take care, keep good, and see you next time.